Welcome to Pydle Day 98. Pydle is a daily puzzle you need to solve by writing Python code. Today's Pydle is a torch. Looks a bit like a Minecraft torch. So have a go at solving that. As usual, we will now solve Pydle the day before's Pydle, which is Pydle 97. Follow along to get some hints on how to solve this Pydle. Okay, so it's the Eye of Sauron from the Lord of the Rings. So this is a nice and symmetrical puzzle, so let's have a go at solving that. We start out two loops, so it's symmetrical in both directions, so we probably benefit from Cartesian coordinates. So let's do -2, 3 for x, and then for y. -2, 3. So that's our two loops. So we don't have to worry about the black, kind of the pupil of the eye, because that's default color. So let's do the white pixels first. So if absolute value of x times y equals, can't type, equals 4. And then we do Pydle. It's 2 plus x to convert to Pydle coordinates, and then 2 minus y. No character, white. Okay, so that should be the whites. Okay, so now it's going to be quite simple, the reds, because we already covered the corners, so we can literally just say else if absolute value of x equals 2 or absolute value of y equals 2. And that needs to be red. So why that works, so the edges would be where x is -2 or +2, so absolute value of 2 should cover that, and the same for the y's. Okay, so all that remains is the orange bit. Again, we need elif, so you're not going to cover all the remaining ones, and this one is simply absolute value of x equals 1. And that should be orange. Okay, so I'm pretty sure if I hit the run button, it will be done. So if you like this puzzle, have a go solving it yourself, or go and solve today's Pydle, which is the torch. I'll see you again tomorrow for the solution.